Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to chrome your Glock slide. First, prioritize safety by wearing gloves and eye protection throughout the entire process. Begin by completely disassembling your Glock slide, ensuring all internal parts are removed. Next, thoroughly clean the slide to eliminate any oils, grease, or old finishes. A proper degreasing step is crucial for achieving a successful chrome finish. Once your slide is meticulously prepared, it's time for the plating. Carefully prepare your chroming solution, following the manufacturer's specific instructions for mixing and temperature. Suspend the clean Glock slide in the plating bath using a conductive wire, ensuring good electrical contact. Apply the recommended voltage and amperage for the specified time, typically ranging from 30 minutes to 1 hour, monitoring the process for an even coating. After the plating is complete, carefully remove the slide from the bath and rinse it thoroughly with distilled water to remove any residual chemicals. Now, polish the newly chromed surface to achieve that brilliant, mirror-like shine you're looking for. Once polished, reassemble your Glock slide with all its internal components. Finally, apply a light coat of gun oil to protect the finish and ensure smooth operation. Remember, safety is paramount. Always work in a well-ventilated area to avoid inhaling any harmful fumes, and dispose of all chemicals responsibly according to local regulations. For those seeking convenience, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals. If you're unsure about any step, consider consulting a professional for chroming services to ensure the best and safest outcome for your Glock slide.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.